Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example by using the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and pick this edit icon here. Tap on the camera icon, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Let's find the photo. And as you can see, from this step you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can change the position of it. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, but simply set it like you want to, because this area is responsible for what you will see after saving the contact. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon. And as you can see, the photo has been applied, and here remember to tap on this save icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact looks like, and you will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.